woman is buying bra when you born. It's bras.
Black fingers upon the beat.
Hey people, what's poppin'? Kilo shele, agini name. Let's go there.
Yeah, let's go there.
Okay guys, you must have seen my Alawi shopping video. If you have not seen it, please go see it and come back to watch this one. Yes, you must have seen my Alawi video, and this is like the sequel, like the continuation. I got the provisions at Next Place Supermarket, and I'm going to get the food stuff at the popular Nyanya market, Abuja.
We will go see what's in the Nyanya market. Can be like.
It's actually it's not a tush market. Things are cheap there. Yeah, whatever. Things are cheap in market. And I want to get some Okrika clothes for an Okrika haul. Yeah, I want to do a clothing haul. So guys, let's go out. Guys, we are at Beggar. Anybody that is in Abuja knows Beggar very well. Beggar roundabout. Yeah, we are Beggar, and we want to go enter these big buses that are going to Nyanya. I'm not going. Thank you. 150, not be 100 again. What's happening now? Huh? How much are this one? Nyanya market. Nyanya market.
I know wahala if you reach it. Other people now, you know from down.
Nyanya market how much? Nyanya market how much? My money don't finish. I spent 700 naira. I've not even reached the market. Auntie Didi. This is now glow.
And all these things are specially made for our health.
Sit down.
On daily basis, we give it to us.
Hey guys. Oh my god. Like Abuja is hot. Like I thought Abuja was hotter. But it's the same thing. This
sun is so hot. And this just looks like everybody feels Abuja is just for tush things. No, there are buses like this in Abuja.
Yeah, so I was
surprised when I saw it. It's thick blue.
Under this, the judgment of God.
Like the thick, not.
What is the problem? Senators are the problem. So the sentence everybody mouth closed. And they instructed us, not even giving us the face mask, they instructed us buy your own. I don't know how many people here that receive it from the government. Government give you your own, can I see your hands? Buy your own. Close your mouth by yourself. When you get home, you can make amebo over there. You can talk about the government in your house. But on the highway, thank God my brother is carrying 2. If he's tired with the other one, he'll change again. That is what the government discovers. And really, the discussion has been less. The gossiping has been less. Listen to me, there is highest authority.
You guys, I feel like I'm
the
in
government
Lagos
pass on order to us to carry face mask and we carry. Heaven is saying without holiness and righteousness, no eye will enter the kingdom. No one will see the kingdom. May God help us in Jesus' name.
Amen.
I am saying that COVID-19 is doing a good job.
Jesus.
It's doing a good job. Bible says in everything give God thanks. Do you know that members of beer parlor have reduced? Because they don't know who carried it. Go to Gogoro Center, no more members. Burukutu Center has reduced. Because COVID-19 is doing a good job. Do you know that COVID-19 is bringing repentance to life? Some sisters that have 72 boyfriends, today they are giving notice to them. Every man back to your barrack. Because they don't know the man that carry COVID-19. Are you saying that COVID-19 is not doing a good job? It's doing a good job.
I will be coming down within a very short while. But all the same, my name is Fred. But I have a very vital information for you all. There is what we call Formula B. My brothers, my sisters at the boss, and what it does, they are numerous. Outside there, they give compliments, accolades at the same time. They pass a word of air communion concerning Formula B.
If you
go to Lagos, Benin, Warri, Port Harcourt, Kaduna, Abuja, Two very popular and registered by NAFTA. Some people call it 3-1, some people call it 4-1, but all they say number 1 is a purifier. Number 2 is a regulator. Number 3, sugar matter, typhoid infection, hepatitis, and the rest of it, etc., etc. But how many of us that hepatitis give faster than HIV? But subsequently, we are going to talk about it. Number 1, sugar matter. Before, they said diabetes is hereditary, but today, reverse is not the case because of what we consume. Some people go chop rice in the morning, apple for afternoon, yam for night. They say they are busy changing the balanced diet. Who told you that? How many of us they take fruit here? Some people take fruit once in a while. Orange, 250 naira once in 5 months. Banana, oh my goodness, once in 6 years. The one with the best papers, maybe banana once in 11 years. Some people they fear every medicine I must sick. As the weather they change, my pikin must sick. But these are the boss here. I want to assure you all. Number 1, in case if you are typhoid or you have malaria parasite, that is what you need. You know the bitter, you know the purge. If you get begin from 1 year to 4 years, give her 1 cover morning, 1 cover night. 6 to 12 years, 2 cover morning, 2 cover night. Adult from 60 years to 120 years, Methuselah, 7 cover morning, 7 cover night. You know the bitter, you know the purge. Back on your chest, it's going to fall down drastically. Any small is central. You dare say, boss, please be my witness. What is that price? How much?
Guys, this central area, I would say.
But this is the boss, my brother. I
love this place. And that's the box. I don't know if you can see.
How much? If you have your 500 naira, I give you one inside the box here. How much? 500 naira. But if you want to read, reading is free. Information is power. If you want to read, raise up your hand. I give it to. I'm coming back there. How many is there? You remember only some few bottles. And that's it. Unless you are speaking for the very first time. Are we away? Unless you are speaking for the very first time.
Federal Ministry of Transportation, Abuja. I always admire this walls. Like, it's so big and beautiful. I don't know why my phone is using focus, but I know you can see it.
Who again for back there? The 10 lucky person, I'll give it to direct. It's not because I'm selling it, I'm not trying to spice it up, but rather trying to garnish it up. I'll say my brother sister.
And this is Petroleum Products Pricing Regulatory Agency.
2,000 years later.
So guys, we're almost at Nyanya. We are already at Nyanya. Sorry. Nyanya day, oh. Nyanya day.
Nyanya, don't call that. You're wait. Let me explain. I'm not talking to them.
Hey, let's go. You're coming there.
Are you coming there, sir?
So guys, this Nyanya is very busy, so I'm not going to hold my phone and cross. I just want to show you how the place looks from across. Yes, so we're going to be crossing now. There are a lot of bikes here. This is like the last part of the entrance. The entrance is a small gate. Divine, let's follow here and enter. I have to be very careful. This is my phone. This one that was still on the road. Don't go anywhere. Go here. There are a lot of Okrika stuff. Yes, a lot of Okrika stuff. Guys, let me tell you a story. This particular shoe shop now, and there was a day I came, the man was begging me to buy that I can owe him, I can come back and pay him later. As me, I was someone that wanted to steal from him, I would have actually collected that because that day I was on khaki. I can just decide that I will not come to Nyanya market without khaki again. Should we go to this side and explore? Oh guys, see this Ankara stuff, and it has a face mask attached to it. Should we buy cotton bud? Sorry, how much is a cotton bud? My friend. This one. This is sticker. This one,
15 naira.
This one how much?
This one 250.
Ah, no. This 15 naira, Abi?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to get this one. I like cotton bud stick. How much is a packet of matches?
100 naira.
Divine, which one? Okay, this one has divine on it, so I'm going to buy divine goose. No, this is star goose, sorry. Divine goose. I'm going to buy because of divine. Don't show his face. We just got here and I'm so tired and thirsty.
I'm looking so short. Don't mind this girl. She just wants me to appear short. I'm not short.
Nobody can even hear you. Bye. Let's go, Joyce. Not fine. Price first. Guys, can see this beautiful dress by a tailor. Yes. Yes. Sorry, how much is your this cup? This one 300. No be two. I beg now, don't for me customer. Give me 250. Oh yeah, put on. Guys, I'm getting this for 250. You see, this Nyanya is better. Like at the estate market, it's only basket used to sell, and it's not everybody that has money for basket. Like me now, what am I using a full basket of Irish potatoes to do? To spoil. How much is your backo? How much? 100 naira. Why now? Why not increase the price? Maybe 100 and 50. No, 100. We should buy a lot. We should have bought on that fancy nylon. Let's see the other nylon you have. This one? 150. Hey! Please give me 150. You give your brother 100. Okay, give me 100 naira. Thank you. Good afternoon. Please, ma, do you have the silver of the do you have this? Hi, oh. I want to buy all these loops for my video. Sorry, how much is your onions? How much? Which one? This one how much? Huh? No, for more money. Give me this one 100. 700. Give me 8. Now I buy 9. Give me 300 around. Good afternoon. Thank you. Please, do you have local rice? How much is a mudu? 600. Foreign is how much? Foreign is 800. Oh, it's local, I'll buy you. I'm a local girl. Do you know it? But I just spoke my local language. Okay, guys, see my list. And I've barely bought anything and my money is almost finished. I've bought matches, onions, Irish rice. I've not bought beans and yam. I don't think I'm buying sweet potato again. Oh Jesus, Daddy. You will help your daughter and I'm not spending more than my budget. Auntie, please, how much is your beans? You know you're in a cup. Half food, okay, can I go to half food? I'm getting a cup of crayfish. I don't have a lot of money to buy mudu. How much? No, you don't get the smaller one, because this one now, small thing will break again. How much in be? I bet I bring one more test. Give me pink. I be student too, I no get money. What do you got me with student? All are the same. Oh, no be the same. Oh. Now before, but now you be seller. You want me hunger kill me? You want me hunger kill me?
Customer are equal.
No, everybody is not equal.
On my own
some
side,
people they earn more.
Customer are equal.
No.
What do you do?
Oh yeah, how much last? Customer, how much last?
That one.
I beg now. You want my check go house? Nice. And I can't pick any other one. What they sell? Oh, how much? Girl shorts, black socks.
Yeah.
How much?
100.
Eh? How much with this black one? This black one, how much? It's your car going to
100.
100. TUO1, TWO1, everything 100. Follow 100. Follow 100. Follow 100. 100 naira polota. 100 naira singlet.
son. I bring down my seat. Hey, the one where you just dropped the ground. Let's go right down. Drop that thing.
So you want?
Sorry, ma. You have to drop it. Oh. Are you checking? We the seller. 100 naira, we the seller. 100 naira, we the seller.
Okay, you're not flipping.
100 naira, we the seller.
Did I look at me? I'm not looking at you guys.
We the seller.
That's like 9 get 5.
I'm going to get some in trunk now. I'm just going to buy one. Wow, it's so fine. Please take it. It's not even so price. I don't like this one.
Why did they do it? How did they do this one?
It's very fine. No, I like this at home. Don't have something similar. Let me give you. It's not no, let me see this blue. Don't like this. No. Oh, but my former cement trunk is blue. This is so fine. Like, it's wonderful. I wish I was the person that saw it. Ma, you look at this her type again. Oh, it's not fair. Oh.
Why you don't like this? This one is fine.
I don't like it. You know, so everybody get everything they like.
This one is not bright color.
No, I don't like red and white. So guys, I love this, but I don't have money. It's buying bra.
When you born, then you come and package. You understand?
It's buying bra. Nice bras.
Ma, keep this one. So that one.
Choose one. Okay. Guys, which one will you take? This. Bring that one. Let me see. Or this.
This one a hot baby. This kid is a kid. I swear. This one there are something.
You know, I have some. I like the two of them. I'm actually confused. Because I get money, but I will pick one for myself. See this black one. I really love it. But they said that the beautiful ones are not yet born. So hopefully when I have money, I'll see the more beautiful ones.
Kind of babe,
give me the
Is it not just 2 weeks? Not me now.
Please snap me and join.
Oh yeah, Susu, that's like shakeleke. Photobombi. Oh yeah, Odogu.
We are done. We are at the bus stop looking for Usain Moto. This is Divine. She's taking pure water. She's tired, but she's not looking tired. And look how busy the bus stop is. Very busy.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys.
Hello.
So we got stranded. Like when we got to Bega, we couldn't see any vehicle going to Airport Junction that would take us to Kado. So we just ordered for an Uber. Yeah, we are in the boat. Sorry, not Uber, boat. We are in the boat and we are on our way home. We hope you enjoyed the journey with us because we enjoyed it. Like we're so happy. We're like, this is what's more than going to Chicken Republic or any eatery.
I feel so fulfilled. fulfilled.
Yeah, and I feel so African. Yes. So I'm going to be doing an okrika haul, like a clothing haul later, maybe next week or next 2 weeks. So just stay tuned.
So make sure.
Thank you for following us on this journey. Thank you for being faithful, and subscribe if you have not.
Subscribe to your Dera's vlog,
and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to Dera's vlog on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. Bye. Love you.
I'm Olivia. Subscribe to your Dera's vlog.
Please subscribe to Dera's vlog.
Please subscribe to Dera's vlog.
Dera's vlog to the world. Subscribe to Dera's vlog on YouTube. Subscribe to Dera's vlog on YouTube and tell your friends to subscribe to Dera's vlog on YouTube.